Being nice is costing you your emotional peace. And it's time that you learn to build your emotional muscle. Yes, it's a muscle. You train it, you get better at it. It does not mean you have to be harsh. But you see, every time you say yes because of guilt feelings, you are treading on your emotional pillar of prosperity, and therefore there is no balance. You see, setting boundaries is not to keep people out. Boundaries are guardrails to help to keep your peace and your emotional prosperity intact. So, if you are someone that constantly says yes and then you feel guilty, then your emotional muscle is weak. You need to build a stronger boundary, knowing that yes is good sometimes, not all times.